Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. I'm not sure how the echo is and all because I kind of moved my new streaming location into my dedicated like office room. So I need to check this out first to see how it is before we get into today's topic. But today's topic is going to be very interesting, guys. It's actually related to this. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about it now, but this is basically a Trump coin that's recently been created just, I believe, on the 17th of January, just 3 days ago. And it's been insane, the growth of it so far. Really insane. Okay, so just Trump still can in. For now, I believe still can because he's not yet officially in office yet. I believe it will be tomorrow, right? So that's why the hype is like crazy right now. But then I also gotta be a bit careful lah and aware lah because this kind of things, alright, is usually because of how to say the hype, like a new president coming in and then he created a coin. So then people are sure like buy, put in money. That's why it go up. Yeah, just to share something insane, the price right for this when it started off in January 17 is 0.18 cents. Okay, 0.18 cents. I repeat, 0.18 cents. All right, look at it right now. Where is it, man? Crazy. A 1,500% gain in just 3 days. Yeah, it's insane, really insane. I even highlighted this in the group, in our Discord group earlier about a pullback, and then this was the pullback that happened. This was the one. So there was a pullback, and then price is starting to go up. Eventually, this is the safe target lah. But if you guys ask me, still can go in or not? Potential can, because there's still a lot of hype. But don't like crazy. This is not how we do trading. Okay, let's go right. What? Already consider gambling already. How to join your Discord group? Very easy. I have a link. It's actually in this description. All you have to do is tap on that link and then you will be automatically joined into the Discord group. Okay? Thank you so much for asking me that question. Yeah, so guys, I just gonna go and get a cup of water. Okay? Again, if the volume is okay, the echo is okay, just let me know because I'm in a not new environment. This is basically my office room. I always wanted to do streaming here. I finally got a new light, so that's why I was excited to go and try to do streaming here already today. And then got this amazing news also. Later I'll break down briefly like what is this actually, this Trump USDT that is happening right now. See now also it's just going up. Look at it, it's just crazy. If you guys want to see the bigger one, I'll show you. See, look. Of course, if you guys wondering, hey, why aren't they here only? Why don't have more? Because it's new. It's just January 17th. It came out, so that's why this much data only we have. But can you see how the move is? This is the power of when something is like really in hype. That's why they always say, guys, when you see opportunity, right, grab it as soon as you can, really as soon as possible. Okay, because like this kind of case, right, if you were to how to say, been aware of this sort of like, oh, there's a new Trump coin coming out. And it started at 0.18 cents. Just imagine that buying at 0.18 cents and where the price is right now, right? You would have gained 1,500%. Do you know how insane that sounds? Just saying it out loud is just crazy, man. Just crazy. But again, of course, this is not something that I would say that, oh, confirm we will just keep going up because he's the new president, he's coming in, and then like the coin will keep going up. We cannot say this because we cannot predict like that. But then in the same sense, I could be wrong also because people think about the same thing. I mean the same concept towards Bitcoin before, right? If you guys didn't know, last time when Bitcoin coming out, right, it was very sketchy. Many people had doubts. They were thinking it's a scam thing. People don't really want to invest in it. But today, right, when people start to see where Bitcoin is, people think, wow, why lah? I invest and all. Yeah, so this could turn out to be that kind of scenario also, whereby it could be like something long term. Yes, but we cannot say for sure lah. But all I can tell you is right now is because of the hype of him actually coming into presidency and all. That's why it's a crazy going up. Yeah, so still everything at risk, everything we have to be aware. But if you ask me right now, means yes, I still feel that price will still go up. I still feel that. Yeah. Okay, give me a moment, guys. I go get some water. You guys enjoy this music and then enjoy this. Hey, sorry, I still on mute. I always do this. Okay, let me see. Let me see. I hope I knew this earlier. It's okay, no worries. Because to be honest, still early lah. Still early lah right now. It just launched 3 days ago. But then tomorrow is the one we can see the big impact, right? Because if I'm not mistaken, tomorrow presidency, right? Let me check. I Google. When is they got right office. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, it's 20th now. Wow, this is the thing about these articles. They always write so many things. The best person to ask ChatGPT is. I heard like 20 lah. I just want to confirm for you guys. Yep, 20th of January, correct? So still early, still early. But then something interesting lah. Tomorrow, right, when he officially come into office, I wouldn't recommend anybody to purposely go and trade or anything lah. Like to bet on the trade, but rather than see how the market will move lah. That's what I will be doing lah. But I will be doing a live also. So do catch it tomorrow. We can together we can see, oh, once you come into office, how the market reacts, what is it going on? Is it going up? Is it going down? How crazy is the move and all? But if there's opportunity, of course, why not, right? If got opportunity, we all can enter together tomorrow. Okay, let me see how to join. Okay, this one done. How you see Ethereum? Okay, okay. Ethereum, right? This one has a mix. How to say? The thing I'm going to say is about a little bit mixed. I won't say good, I won't say bad. Because actually got two things happen. One thing I realized, right? Ethereum started to drop, if you see, from the 19, which is today, started to drop. Basically, it was in a downtrend, but then now it's like significantly dropping. Okay? But if you ask me, is it because the Trump coin came out and then it's affecting Ethereum or not? To be honest, in my opinion, not really. The reason why I say this, right, is because when Trump coin came out, okay, right now many people eyes, right, many people focus is in where? Crypto market. Okay, Ethereum is part of the crypto market chain and it's not a small thing lah. Crypto, Ethereum is a very big thing already lah. Whenever you think about crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, I think majority people should know it. So right now when Trump coin this thing came in, so a lot of hype coming into the crypto market already, and then especially I believe Trump is also a crypto player trader, so I won't really say it's kind of like a bad thing. Yes, Ethereum, I saw the news, it dropped like 5% lah, 5%, but then I don't think it's a bad thing. Yeah, that's certainly not a bad thing. Especially after he coming into power tomorrow, I kind of believe we will start to see some sort of gain lah, especially in the major cryptocurrencies. I believe we will see some sort of gain. Also, we can see, so right, based on this crypto market, based on analysis, technical analysis, right? Okay, what are we seeing, guys? What are we seeing? Okay, so this is a liquidity, right? Liquidity has been taken out. What else liquidity we can find? Let me see. Okay, this one here. This is H4, okay? This liquidity also has been swept, okay? So these two liquidity already swept and then price gave us a reaction towards which side? Up or down? Will Ethereum go up? I believe so. To be honest, I believe so based on this analysis. Because why? You see these two lines, right? These are basically liquidity zones that are interesting to me, and then this is H4. So once price has swept, right, this liquidity, maybe I take out this one because this one is more significant to me because price is resting on it very nicely, we can see. Okay, once price taken out this liquidity, and then we can see a very nice push where towards the upside, correct or not? So how does price move if we want to look into a bullish trend? Basically, this is what we're looking for, correct? Higher highs and higher lows. This is what we want. Okay. So every time I draw just the two section. Right? When we go up, right? Basically, this is what we call this as an impulse, right? After impulse, we will get a corrective. Basically, pullback. This always happens. Okay. So what are we seeing here? If I put this here, okay. What is this potentially? Maybe I make it thicker, lah. Okay. What are we seeing? We are seeing an impulse move to the upside after price has taken out liquidity, and then we're showing some sort of reaction and a strong push towards the upside. And then now we're seeing a pullback. Okay, so what are we potentially going to see after a pullback? Potentially, this is going to be a start of a bullish one, but I'm not so sure how high. But if to play my bet safe line, this would be my TP1. Okay, because I still need to wait for what is price telling me when it reaches a POI zone. Okay, so let me draw out the second form of liquidity. This is the second form of liquidity. Okay, this is the ones targets that we can look into. Okay, so say this liquidity is so price taken out, but there's no reaction yet. So we have an imbalance also around this area here. So what are we going to look at? Basically, once price reach roughly around this zone, let me show you roughly here. Okay, this number is what number? Okay, 3093. Okay, we must start to wait and look and see for any sort of reaction the price is giving, especially towards the lower time frame. Okay, if we are seeing any sort of push towards the upside, especially in the lower time frame, we are starting to see higher highs and higher lows, basically a bullish run. Okay, that's when we can confirm our analysis that potentially we'll be moving towards the upside right now. and then we can go for a buy. Okay, it's up, yep, up. I believe it will go up, but not now yet. Because why? We are still inside of the pullback zone. You see, we're not seeing any form of reaction towards the upside yet. Okay, not yet. And then also, today is Sunday, guys. Sunday is still not that strong of a volume yet. The reason why you're seeing this Trump USDT, right? This one is going up like crazy, even though on a Sunday, is because he's coming into presidency tomorrow, and it just launched like 3 days ago. So this is basically hype. Okay, many people are like so hyped about what is going on. That's why it's crazily going up, even though it's on a Sunday or so. Even yesterday, I saw it fly like crazy. I mean, yesterday. Let's go yesterday. Let's put it down yesterday. Yesterday, when is this? Okay, today is 19. Let me see. Saturday, okay. Saturday. Actually, basically this lah. I don't need to even show you guys. Look at it. Okay. We have a small push towards the downside. Oh, this was very early morning. Okay, people should sleep already lah. That's why. And then moment 10 o'clock, people wake up already. See, this is just today, guys. From here all the way to here, it's just today. This is crazy move, man. This is especially on a Sunday. I've never seen a move like this. Yeah, this is all hype. Just all hype. Even this one also, actually I didn't enter this one, unfortunately because I was outside. I was actually shopping for my new light to put inside of my room. But I did highlight this inside of our Discord channel So if you guys were to enter, right, this trade, okay, basically this would have been the entry Okay, stops below this long candle, and then take profit at the high. Basically right now, if you have entered the trade based on the Discord the Discord group that I mentioned, that potentially after a pullback, okay, we can be seeing a bullish run. If you guys have entered this trade, please set BE, take out partial profits, and then let the trade run. Okay, I'll repeat that. Take partial profits, set BE, let the trade run. Okay, let me see. Okay, today our analysis also we're going to do kind of like a weekly bias on Bitcoin, because potentially I want to see where will Bitcoin be heading to by next week. Are we going to focus mostly on a bullish run or a bearish run? Because the last week one, we hit TP, our analysis was exactly correct. Okay, so majority was towards the bullish side Okay, the only thing now we have to take into consideration is that tomorrow Trump will be coming into office. Okay, so that one will highly impact the market, good or bad, we never know. Even though he's like a big supporter of the crypto chain, the cryptocurrencies and all, we still cannot just use this and predict and then say confirm it will go up. We cannot do this. Okay, so that's why we still have to do our analysis and still have to wait and see after you come into the presidency how the market will be reacting to that. Okay, because a lot of people will be looking at the market. Okay, there will be so much of volume. Tomorrow will be an exciting day. Remember to tune in, Make sure to remember to tune in. Okay, so let us go to our favorite Bitcoin. Okay, so we go to the daily bias first. Okay, forgive me this one, I'm sure it's creating something basically slides yesterday I was creating for you guys, so it'll be easier for you to understand. Okay, so basically our analysis for last week was Bitcoin will reach this zone here, which it did nicely it did This was the zone, and then during our analysis we were roughly around at this point. Okay, this is where we were. Okay, this was our stop roughly here. Actually no, our stop was half of this week. Yeah, and then this was our analysis This was it. Very nice trade. Of course in daily you will see all the way up If you go in the smaller time frame, you can see actually got quite a few movement then got quite a few movement up down. This is how market move Okay, but eventually price went to our TP point so that's an amazing job to everybody who have followed. Okay, who have stayed disciplined in the trading SOP. Good job to you. So then I also highlighted inside of our Discord group that once Bitcoin take out this section, if you're seeing a strong push towards the upside, I even mentioned this in my live, we potentially will be seeing a move all the way to this section here, which is this side. This right here. Okay. Okay, so this is the next potential target that I think we might be seeing. But of course, we also have to bear in mind that what are we seeing right now? What is this, guys? This is what? Impulse, right? Basically, we're seeing an impulse move up. When we want to predict price will come to this point, what is that? That is what's the upside, right? So basically, upside means bullish run. Bullish run means this is the move, correct? Market structure, basic market structure. I already mentioned this before. This is the foundation. Okay, regardless how advanced you are in trading, this will always be your foundation. You need to understand market structure. So you see, it goes up, there will be a pullback, right? So right now we are only seeing an up move, but we're not potentially seeing a pullback. But does that mean that we will be seeing a pullback and then only it will go all the way up? No, so potentially you can do this. To be honest, potentially you can do this. You can go all the way straight up. In the bigger time frame, in the daily time frame, you could potentially do this as well. Smaller time frame, sure, will have some pullback line. Okay? It could potentially go here. Maybe I draw some scenarios now. Okay? Okay, this is scenario 1. This is 1. Maybe I'll label this out. You guys just keep track of it. Okay? Just put number 1. Then, what else you can do? You can do all of this. This is number 2. Yeah, I should put 1 and 2 next to this. This is 1. This is 2. Okay, so what's number 3? This is number 3. I just give it 3 lah. Actually, can have more. This is number 3. And go down here, and I can go down. Basically, we call this reversal. Okay, this is also a potential move. Okay, so I mentioned this in the previous live. As traders, okay, the best thing, in my opinion, to do, okay, is never only stand in one decision route. Okay, if you think buy, okay, good job. That means your analysis is telling you to buy. That is how we actually got this win also, this huge move to the upside. Okay, but does that mean I only saw buy opportunities? Of course, no. Okay, if you think buy, always ask yourself, how much percent are you confident that it's a buy? Never say 100%. Never do this, okay? My personal advice, never do this. Okay? So always give a percentage to yourself. For example, if you ask me this scenario, let me write it down. This number 1 scenario, for me lah, okay? I would say 50%. I think would happen. Oh, wait. Why is it below? Oh, that doesn't help anything. Okay, why you went below? Okay, 50%. How about this one? This one's 70%. To be honest, I think this is the more stronger move lah, because it's quite close by already lah. Okay, this one, 30%. Because why is this 30%? Because I am still biased. Bias? No, my bias is still bullish. I'm still biased. I shouldn't say it. My bias is still towards bullish lah. Okay, because I really strongly feel that this will be taken out, and then also because Trump coming into presidency, they all support this Bitcoin, and then recently all this crypto market stuff all coming in, especially into Malaysia also, where they mentioned that they want to support this crypto thing. So all of this will go to effect where basically the big guy in the room lah, basically Bitcoin lah. So I that's why I strongly feel this number we're seeing here, 108, right? I think it's the highest point as of ever, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. If I'm not mistaken, that's the highest point. I go 1 month. 1 month. I think I never did 1 month with you guys before. Basically, 1 month means every candle represents 1 month. So after a month only, a candle close, guys. You see this one, the candle right now moving, they're right here. 12 days only will close. Yep. This is the highest point in Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm right. Correct. So 108, right? I do not believe strongly. I do not think Bitcoin will start at 108. Especially after they come to presidency and all that. I really feel, to be honest, Bitcoin may even reach the 200k point. I don't think it'll be very difficult for them to reach up to the 200K point. So just take this as something to keep in your mind, that what I'm saying, basically my prediction. Okay, and then once you guys see any opportunities, right, for buying, especially if you want in the long term run, right, yeah, just think about that it can be done. Okay, but of course just look through your analysis, your personal analysis, because all the things that we share here, everything is not financial advice. Okay, we're just, as traders, we're just sharing our opinion based on our years of experience, and then what we think the market will be doing based on how we know market structure is, how market behavior is, especially about fundamental news, how that affects the market. That's all we'll be doing. Okay, but then just feel free to learn, feel free to understand why we think this way, and so on and so forth. And then of course put in your own analysis, join the Discord group and share it with me. I'll be more than happy to learn, because I always give many scenarios to myself, personal self. Okay, sometimes I have four. Okay, so I always have percentages. Okay, so for bullish one, how many percentage, and which is the pattern I'm looking at. For bearish one, which is the pattern I'm looking at, what is the percentage. I would love to see you guys, what you guys think. Maybe you have a different outcome or different analysis. Maybe you think you'll go consolidation. Who knows? Everything counts. We are all traders in the making. Okay, we are all getting better, one step at a time. So let's mark this out, to make it live here in our recording. What's this number? Let me get the number. This number is so hard to get in the middle. 108,378.6. 108,378.6. Okay, good. 108,378.6. I confirm one 108,378.6. Okay, guys. You guys seen it first on my live here. This is roughly my prediction of where I think Bitcoin will be hitting or going to. So currently we are in a bullish run. Okay, let us just go down to smaller time frame and see what can we potentially see a move tomorrow. You see there is a small pullback here, but then what happened? Price didn't break this high. Correct. Price didn't break this high. What are we supposed to see in a bullish move? Remember, price has to break. Price has to what? Price has to break. Let me put in the break one. I got a template for that. This has to happen. Did it break? It didn't. So what are we saying? Does that mean, oh, it's gonna go down? No, not necessarily. Okay, it could actually just come in here, and then price could just consolidate for a while and then break also. Because why? We have to remember, what day is it today? Today is a Sunday. Okay, we are seeing a lot of hype towards which currency? The Trump coin. That is because also he's coming to presidency tomorrow. So basically that is because of a lot of hype. But if other markets don't really move necessarily as strong as the one that is having hype moving like, it's normal. Totally normal. That's why don't act straight away as traders. Always wait. Always be patient. Always see. Wait and see what is price trying to tell us. But as of now, from what I can see, I really think this price will be taken out. Okay. I already mentioned in the Discord group about this, but later I will just remind again so you guys can just be aware. Okay, so let me just go into smaller time frame. Let me see what am I looking at. Actually, nothing much because like I said, right, consolidation. That's what I'm seeing, you see. Price is consolidating. Price is not really moving in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Well, I mean, I guess you can kind of say it's an uptrend. Oh, hold on, guys. I pressed the wrong one. See? Based on this, you can kind of say, well, actually, I don't know how I added the second line so fast. Yeah, basically, you can say price is kind of like in an uptrend. But let me see, I see it in the channel. It could be also channel right now. Okay, one moment, guys. Let me try this out and see. Are we potentially? Okay, potentially yes. Potentially we are channel trading right now. Okay, what does channel trading mean? So basically, imagine this. Okay, a cube, like such like a cube, where price only trades within that cube. Okay, so that's what potentially is happening right now. So we are moving towards the upside, but as current price, not really having much momentum now. Smaller time we can see more. Yeah, but overall, I'm still bullish. Overall, I'm still bullish. Tomorrow we will see. Once Trump comes into presidency, then we will see. Even this one also, we can understand what happened. Price actually took out liquidity. This is a liquidity sweep. Yeah. This one, all of this liquidity price taken out. Actually, there's so many liquidity resting here. Let me see if there's a more proper one that I can give you guys. Yeah, 15. 15 is the one. All of this liquidity. Once price sweep, we're seeing a move towards the upside. Right now, okay, so this one, I would like to see price have some sort of reaction towards here, this line here, initially. So if you can see that price is now starting to close above, right? So that means potentially we're going to see price take out this high. Because there's no reaction towards the downside upon reaching this zone. Let me see, let me go to smaller time frame. Okay, price has to react here. This price reacting here. Okay, price gave a good reaction already towards the upside. Again, guys, if you guys are confused, right, don't worry. Okay, this is just my personal analysis and personal strategy and all. Ethereum up. Is it? Is it? Let me check. Yeah. Now it's showing an up move lah. Because like initially, right? Remember we said this is a very nice reaction already, and right now, okay, we're starting to see an up move. Let me see. Let me see. Let me go to smaller time frame analysis, and then we see. Okay. Okay. What are we seeing? What are we seeing? What is going on? Okay, so this one is liquidity, price taken liquidity. Okay, yes, we're seeing a push up, but just be careful. It's not a strong enough push yet. Okay, remember, if you want to look into a buy, okay, I will draw this line as well. Let's wait for it to come across this section, and then we can see how price reacts first. Potentially, it can go even lower than that section. Okay, because that overall place, right, is actually right. It will come all the way to here. Got potential to come under here. I'll show you. Potential to come under this zone also. Got potential under here. This is the range. Okay, but I just draw this line now. Okay, I want to see when price comes into this line, how does it react? That is my priority line. Okay, and then right now what are we seeing? Even though we're seeing this bullish push, do not just enter, because why? Focus on see this down, up, down. Actually, this one more lower lah. Wait, I have to draw again. Make it small. Okay. See, down, up, down, up. Let me move this to the side. What trend is this? Market structure. We are still in a bearish push down. Okay? So if we are in a bearish push down, we never see any form of bullish market structure coming into play yet. And market actually, to be honest, didn't reach our zone where we want to see reaction yet. Okay? We must be careful. Okay, this is what market maker like to do. Market maker likes to give us clear things to see. Because to be honest, you see, the things that I'm showing you guys, right, all of these, this liquidity, if you think only I can see, let me tell you, there's so many millions of people around the world seeing the same thing, and market makers know this. Okay, sometimes they will do this. I'll show you. Let's use downtrend, because since it's down my Ethereum, okay, market makers, right, like to do this. They like to create a very beautiful downtrend. Okay, but what happens in the downtrend? Okay, we also have what we call trendline liquidity. Okay, whenever we have a beautiful downtrend, okay, the thing that is holding price, we call so-called trend line, is actually also a form of a liquidity. Okay, so when we're going down, market maker like to do what? Even though we all can see this thing, okay, we all can see this, and then we will potentially, right, when we see price doing this, okay, when we see price doing this, we will think, potentially price is going to go up, because we're seeing a move up already. Potentially price is going to go and take out all of the liquidity. But what will happen? Sometimes price will come take out the first liquidity and then drop all the way down again. So what the buyers will do? Buyers sure will aim all of this liquidity. Sure, when the moment they see this up, this is where they will enter. And then stop loss below, they will aim for this high. But then what market makers will do? They will make buyers think and believe that they are correct. So they will be in blue, 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 blue. Yes, I'm winning, 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 winning. Bah, they take you out straight away. So the thing that I learned in trading, right, after years, right, is never trade the obvious. Be smarter than that. Okay? Always have your own edge in the market. So my edge personally, everything relates to liquidity. Even though like this kind of thing happen, I want to see something very important from the bottom happen, and something have to respect, something have to disrespect. Then only my bias will be towards the buy side. So if you ask me from this, right, just from hindsight, yes, I think we are going to potentially see a bullish move towards the upside for Ethereum. The reason why is because, like I said, right now Ethereum roughly dropped like 5%, okay, but not necessarily because of, I cannot say necessarily because of the Trump coin or anything, I cannot say. I'm not 100% sure for that. But all I can tell you is, right now there's a lot of people looking into crypto, and Ethereum and Bitcoin is one of the big players in this market. So I don't think it's a bad thing for the drop. And then tomorrow, once Trump comes into presidency, since he is a big crypto fan, I believe it will hugely benefit Ethereum, at the same time Bitcoin. I'm not so sure about Trump coin. I'm not so sure because that one right now is about a hype thing. Okay, but we will see tomorrow. Who knows? I could potentially be wrong, right? It could be maybe the next Bitcoin. We can never know. Okay, in trading you never know. So this one why I think we're gonna go on the buy is because related to what I just said lah. Yeah, because tomorrow there's a lot of things going to happen tomorrow. And then right now I'm seeing a very nice beautiful sweep of liquidity. Okay, on a H4, and then I can see there's two liquidity zones that potentially price will be going to take. And then also this pullback right now, because you see price always moves how? There we go. Impulse, pullback, and then impulse, pullback. What are we seeing? Impulse, we're seeing a beautiful pullback. Once price, we are starting to see a move up with our market structure. We'll use your own analysis on how you confirm if a market is going to shift or not. If it's not, like just now I highlighted, right? You're still in the downtrend, so we gotta wait for a while. But let's say once it shifts, aim for the lowest hanging fruit. For those that joined my live session that I did yesterday or the day before, sorry, not yesterday, yesterday Saturday, I didn't do live yesterday. Friday or Thursday live, right? I shared what do I mean by low hanging fruit. If you guys not so sure, please go watch that live, and then you guys will be get to understand that concept. That concept really helped me a lot in changing how I gain profits from the market. Okay. Let me see. Okay, no more chat so far. Okay, so far good. Okay, so now we go to the Bitcoin now. But we just go to Trump one. We see what's happening. This is H4 already. Look at almost reaching. Again, if you guys never heard what I said earlier, for those that have entered based on the analysis that we shared this in the group, please set yourself to break even, take partial profits out, and then leave the trade to run. Okay, even if you go down, you guys save already from the trade. Okay. So right now we go back to Bitcoin first. My main purpose today is to share with you guys about the Trump. Oh yeah, I never give you guys brief explanation. Let me go back. Let me go back. I cannot just share. Oh, Trump going up. Oh, this one going up. You guys need to know briefly. I studied for you guys. Okay. Okay. So basically, let me go and find it. I go right down so that I can share with you guys what is the important thing. Yeah. So basically, Trump USDT is a brand new cryptocurrency. Okay, basically they call it meme coin lah. Okay, it was launched approximately on the 17th of January, and as of now, okay, it already reached, if I'm not mistaken, 6 billion, $5 or $6 billion. This is crazy lah. But again, anything with hype, like a viral video. If a video goes viral, instantly right, million views. Same thing. Basically same thing. Everybody talking about it, hype, instantly goes up. Okay. So then also this Trump coin thing is not uh, something to we can officially like really ground ourselves into looking at. The reason why because it's still new. Okay, not necessarily means it's bad. It could be the new Bitcoin, like I mentioned. So just for now, because everybody is looking into it, there's a lot of hype. So we just gotta grab that potential and that chance now to earn from this market for now. Okay. Also, the the number and percentage of how much this market has gained earlier, so I mentioned roughly about 1,500% in just under 3 days. Because today I cannot count yet. Today I'm not sure I even finished it. It's already 1,500%. If I'm not mistaken, now the price is at the highest it went is $3 20, yeah, $2.20 like that. Join or not? Hi Ronnie, thank you so much for joining the live stream. You asked me join or not. Live stream means I would say join but you're referring to you for buy trend in the Trump or Bitcoin or Ethereum or which one? Which one are you asking to join? Then I can give you my opinion. If you're asking me for this Trump one, you can join for buy. Yes, you can. You can join for buy now. Yes, but again tomorrow he'll be coming into presidency, so that one just be careful lah. Okay, right now because there's a lot of hype in this market, that's why it's been pushing up. You guys should not be looking for sell for now. Okay, still there's hype because he not yet come into presidency yet. Okay, if that's what you're asking lah. Thank you for asking, by the way, Ronnie. Yeah, so where was I? Oh yeah, the highest price roughly, but I remember $3 lah. $3. Let me go search. $3. $3.27. Yeah, the highest of $3.27. Imagine this. Imagine this. It started at 0.18 cents. Insane. Crazy. 0.18 cents. Went to $3.27. And right now it's about $2.85. $2.85 roughly lah. Today so far lah. Based on the online one lah. $2.85. Ah, I also hope lah. I also got enter lah from 0.18. I didn't enter from 0.18 lah. Because I got to know about this also a little bit late. On the I think on the 18th, one day after, which is already the price now 0.18 already lah. That means hi you Ferrari Ronnie. Okay. Awesome. Again, if you're referring to this, yes, you can still catch the trend. It's still going up. Okay, eventually I think it will go a little bit higher lah. But just keep an eye out tomorrow. Okay, if you guys are free, you guys can join my live also tomorrow, where we can see. I'm not so sure what time is coming into presidency. I know tomorrow, but I'm not so sure the time. Let me see. I ask. I go to for Malaysia. Okay, ask okay. Let's see. ChatGPT is so like I think ChatGPT is so thinking. Where number can I in? You think? Okay. So earlier I shared in my Discord group. Okay, that price was actually here, roughly here. Maybe I can. Wait. I show you the screenshot. Where are you? There we go. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Wait. Let me try to see the front camera where I show you. I can see. I think cannot. No? I think cannot see. Okay, but here lah, roughly price was here lah. This one. Okay. So I mentioned in the Discord group that Trump coin is coming for a pullback, potential buy opportunity to happen. Okay. So roughly here lah. If you ask me earlier means I would say roughly here lah. This was our entry lah actually. Our entry is by right is here lah, and then below this long candle, the SL, and then the TP I will put in the high, and then I also highlighted just now in the live that people can close already the partial profit and then set SL to PE. But if you ask me right now to enter, a little bit sketchy lah because how price already going up already, and now I know it will come here lah. Eventually it will take out this lah. Let me go smaller time frame and check for you. Wait, wait, I need to see. For me, very important. It's about liquidity. I need to see how price is reacting to certain things. If I cannot see the reaction, for me, already quite risky. Already consider. Let me see. Okay, there's a nice reaction here. This one. Can you can enter buy now if you want but your SL need to be here If you enter buy now your SL need to be here and then this will be your TP roughly about to save 1.65 risk to reward ratio You can enter here if you want. The reason why is because I'm seeing price react, okay? Price react, and then based on my trading SOP, price need to respect this zone, which price is respecting this zone. So for preference price, right? If me, I would like to enter here after this candle close. This will be my ideal entry But if you ask me on enter now, can, but your SL need to be a bit low a bit higher, low, under here Yeah, under this low This is your SL roughly, and then the TP you can still set here. Yeah, but again, guys, not financial advice. But if you ask me can or not, I think can. From here roughly can, because there's still a lot of hype, a lot of volume, trading volume going into this Trump USDT right now. Okay, I hope I helped answer your question, Ronnie. I hope Okay, if you want to catch things like this, you can join our Discord group. Ronnie, just 100% for free. Okay, we share this kind of analysis. Okay, our daily mappings on our daily ideas on inside of the group. And this group not only we share, we actually really want you guys to share also. And then it's a new group. Okay, we're trying to build up this training community. So feel free to join. The link is in the description. All you have to do is tap the link, automatically you'll be routed to the group Okay, no hidden TNC, nothing like that. We just want to build a trading community. That's all. Thank you for joining the live, by the way. Okay, let me see. Because I never did any topics today. I never had any topics what I want to mention. So I know I wanted to speak with you guys about this Trump USDT thing because right now this is an opportunity that you guys can enter. So I wanted to share with you guys. And then Bitcoin, I wanted to share with you guys that what is the analysis. So my analysis for Bitcoin is still bullish, and I think eventually, just to repeat that, this is where I think price will be going. Okay, let me go to daily. Okay. Oh wow, so many things. Yeah, this one. 108,378.6. This is where I think Bitcoin will eventually going to take up price. The liquidity resting there. I don't think I'll stop there. Sure, we'll go. Do you have Telegram group? I do not have Telegram group, Ronnie. We actually currently now only focusing on our Discord group. So the Discord group is where we actually have a few members already that join. Okay, so you can just join, feel free, and just share your analysis with us. So we love to communicate and also give our ideas, and then we can just discuss and so on and so forth. Okay, yeah, thank you. Cannot wait to see you there. Once you're in, just say hi. Okay, we have the chat section. Just say hi. Okay, all of us will sure be happy to speak with you. Yeah, the link is in the description, by the way. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin analysis, remember, this is the number we should be looking at, okay? But I really feel this is where price eventually will be going to. Right now, there is no potential entry, in my opinion. Because why? Because we are seeing a impulse move, but we're not seeing any corrective move yet. Yes, in H4 we have this small corrective move. Does that count? Can and cannot. Because remember, what is trading? What is trading? Rubik's Cube concept. Okay, I shared this in my live before. Rubik's Cube concept, basically a Rubik's Cube, you can have one combination to solve it, another guy can have another one. Okay, another person can have another one, another person can have another one. Basically, there's unlimited amount of combination where you can solve Rubik's Cube. Same thing with trading. Okay, if you ask me, oh, this pullback, then after that can go up, can and cannot. Okay, so after that pullback will come until here and then it will go up, can and then cannot. That's why you have to understand the concept of respect, disrespect, price action. Basically, language of price. What is respect and disrespect? You need to understand your own personal POI, point of interest. You need to understand your personal zones, like the lines all that I draw right just now. Like these lines and all. There, Ronnie. Just now you asked me, yeah, it's going up for now, lah. Yeah, you see these lines and all. Yeah, why I draw? These are all related to my own personal trading strategy. Okay, so I need to see which one is disrespecting, which one is respecting. Yeah, all of these things how you have to tie together in trading. Then only you can 100. No, cannot say 100. I always like to say this word. Not 100%, okay? You can never 100% trading one, okay? But what you can do, you can have a very high percentage of your market bias to where potentially price will be going to based on your SOP set of rules, SOPs, and your personal technical analysis lah. Okay, and then you can mix in fundamental like what we're doing right now lah. That's why we think Trump USD still in the hype, potentially will still go higher. Bitcoin, I have a very strong feeling it will go very high because Trump very big supporter of it. Okay, and then Ethereum, yes, roughly 5% it dropped as of I think yesterday, but then it's not a bad thing because why? Based on fundamental, everybody is going to look at crypto now. Okay, so guys, again, we are building this crypto community of traders 100% for free. Okay, just join the group. Okay, join the trend early. Okay, we all can catch the trend. I haven't buy. I think I missed. That's okay. That is okay. No problem. Again. This one just launched when? This one launched 17 of I think 17 of January. I think roughly 17 or 18 of January only. So it's just new. Don't worry. One thing I share this as a simple mindset thing, very simple thing, but trust me, it is so true. Okay, it happened to me many times before because I got blow up accounts before. One, never chase price, never chase price. Okay, if you ask me right, like Ronnie right, just now you asked me right, where's the entry? I told you roughly, I think around here you could enter. See now price going up. Okay, I know price eventually will come to take out this liquidity, right? But if you ask me, I won't enter because why? My preferred entry will be here once I see respect. Okay, because based on my trading strategy, this is where I want to see price respecting the zone. Okay, last time what I do when I see right, okay, this is my potential target. Anywhere also I don't mind to enter, can. But then you must remember, in trading, we have two things, right? SL, TP, basically stop loss, take profit. The point of entry, okay, highly relies on how much you have to be willing to risk on that trade. So you see this one, I thought this is the safe one lah. You're gonna enter lah. Okay, your risk to reward 1 to 6, not bad. To be honest, not bad. Why not bad? Because in trading, minimum 1 to 1. What does 1 to 1 mean? I think you know one lah, because if you say you haven't buy yet, I believe you have some trading experience lah. But let me just explain in the sense if anybody who have joined the live today maybe have no experience in trading, right? Okay, so let me just share lah. So 1 to 1 basically means if you are risking $1 on a trade, you are aiming to get back minimum also $1 back. 1 to 2, what does that mean? If you're risking $1 on a trade, what are you doing? You are aiming to get minimum $2 back. 1 to 3, what is that? If you're risking $1 on a trade, you are looking to get back minimum $3 back. That is risk to reward. So based on your entry model, your risk is always depending if it will go higher or lower. Last time I will just enter like that. When it go to my target, okay lah, I feel happy lah. But when it doesn't, wow. Because last time I don't know all of this risk management thing or I just enter only. But then, but without going through those things, I will not learn the things that I'm going through today. Yeah. So it's okay, Ronnie, no worries. Never always be opportunity one. Okay, just always tell yourself this. If you think I never entered, it's okay. There's always opportunity. The market every single day got multiple opportunity to play on. Okay, so if you want to catch the opportunity, right, please join in our Discord group. We will send the opportunities all. Okay, when you guys can just go through, you guys can do your own analysis. Okay, because again, let me just say it again, we are not financial advisors, we are traders. Okay, we understand the risk in trading. But what we do, we are just sharing our analysis, our predictions based on the years of trading we have done. Like personally, I traded over 3 years already. So based on my personal experience, this is what my predictions are. So I'm just sharing with them. And then you guys can use your own analysis to confirm. How can I join Discord group? Very easy. There's a link in the description that says Discord. You just tap on it, automatically it will lead you to Discord. You just have to join. No hidden TNC, no requirement from your end, nothing. 100% for free, and then I will share there. But please, just communicate only. No need to feel shy. The group, we want to build a community of traders, especially very powerful crypto traders now. Okay? So just join. We can speak more there. Okay? You can share your own analysis, which I'll be very happy to see. We can all learn together. Okay, so coming back to Bitcoin, guys. Again, I remember, just keep an eye out for this. Let me go back to daily. Just keep an eye out for this one. Okay, this is the number. Keep an eye out for this number. Then we will speak again on tomorrow's live after the session. Did ChatGPT tell me what time? We'll officially take office at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. on January 21. Yeah, for us at 1 a.m. How? Okay lah, you see lah. If tomorrow I got energy, maybe I do live 1 a.m. lah. Then I see you guys. Then we see how the market. I see how. I will inform in our Discord group. Okay. Understand, teacher. Thank you so much for doing this. No worries, no worries. I spent 5 to 6 digits last time to learn from a guru, but ended up being scammed and all. I'm so sorry to hear that. That's the thing lah. This community got so many people use it as a like that lah. Yeah, but no worries lah. Here I won't ask you to pay me anything. You guys don't have to pay me any single cent. Okay, any money that you guys put into is towards yourself. The only thing I ask for is your commitment and also your dedication to practice, to join the live sessions, to learn, to ask questions, to be in the community, to share your analysis. That is all I ask. Basically, is your time and your effort. That's all I ask. Okay, if you can give me that, I will give you all of my energy to help you and become the best trader that you can be. Okay, my goal potentially to make you all better than me. If you all become better than me, then my goal already achieved already. Who knows, maybe you're already better than me already. You just don't want to tell me. It's okay lah, keep it to yourself. It's okay. It's okay. No problem. As a teacher, I will just be happy. Okay? Okay, so another thing to look at lah. Okay, we have this trend line. Okay, so what is trend line? That's not mentioned. Trend line is also a form of liquidity. Okay, so where price go? Price is always attracted to what? Liquidity. That is what basically moves price. Price always goes to liquidity. So guys, I think for today's live, we will just end it here. I just wanted to share with you guys about this hype about the Trump USDT, so you guys can catch the train as soon as possible. Okay, but again, be careful. Tomorrow he'll be coming into office, and then Malaysia, roughly I checked with my bro, my friend, ChatGPT. He roughly said around 1 a.m. So basically for us, January 21 lah. January 21 only he'll be coming into office lah. Okay, for there is January 20th lah. You know right, got 12 hours different right? US and all. That's why. Okay, so tomorrow we will be going live again. If I have the energy, I will do live again at 1 a.m. tomorrow. And then I will see you guys now. We can see how the market move. We can do our analysis pre-market and then also post-market analysis. And then we can understand like where potentially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so forth will be going lah. Because to be honest, Ethereum and Bitcoin move almost the same lah. Almost lah. But then not so, but almost. Yeah, so no worries. Oh, hold on. No, the Discord group I've written in this. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for saying that. So guys, thank you so much for joining today's live. I had a blast speaking with you guys, and it was so fun, especially seeing about this Trump USDT thing. We will see tomorrow for more fun stuff. Okay? Take care, guys. Have a good one. Have a good Sunday. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.